Don't wait till I die. The artists that sell for millions and millions of dollars, Van Gogh, Modigliani, and another few of them, including Sisley and Gauguin, all died in abject poverty. No one knew about their art, no one cared about their art, and only when they died did their art become worth millions. I'm very blessed that I have an absolute belief in myself and my own art. It is an unquestionable belief, and knowing that my art will sell for millions, tens of millions of dollars. All art is beautiful, and I respect all artists immensely. The people that have bought have noticed the incredible uniqueness and bespokeness of my art. And to them, I thank you for buying early. My prices have gone up substantially.